Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Midway CDP local and long distance movers near me. When moving to a long distance location, you are moving at least 50 miles away from your present site. Such a move requires an extensive amount of planning to prevent unnecessary delay and difficulty. Our movers are very experienced and organized, able to do just that. We are also very coordinated. Every item is accounted for and organized before the move to ensure that we damage or lose nothing. Moving to a new home can be time-consuming, but we will help you to hasten the process of getting you to your new location in record time. If you are moving within Midway CDP, we are perfectly suitable to handle the rigors of this bustling city. One factor that makes us stand out is our excellent staffing. Not only this, but we also have standard equipment, professional movers, and necessary technology to see you make the perfect move. Our services are cheap, about $30 to $40 per hour, but they are of the highest quality. We also endeavor to maximize our customer-company relationship, making us one of the best customer-centric moving firms you will find in the area. Our clients enjoy and benefit greatly from our system of operation, a fact that you can confirm from the glowing reviews we always receive. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Midway CDP moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.